Hey guys, this is Faridi aka Funkyfreshfa. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to achieve this chic vintage Loc Updo. But we first have to twist them, so stay tuned. There will be 4 steps to this style. First, the retwisting of the locks. Second, the back corn braid. Third, the top twisting of the locks. And last but not least, the styling. In order to twist them, I use the Cantu Define and Shine Custard for natural hair, as it leaves no buildups and flattens the hair very well. I'm going to show you a quick method without using any pins in order to twist your locks. You want to make sure to damp them generously with the custard. You also want to turn each lock on itself clockwise, and then you want to twist them together but counterclockwise. Like this, it won't unravel and will remain twisted longer. I've been doing this for 20 years and trust me, it has never failed me. That's how I actually do my retwist. So I repeat, turn each lock on itself clockwise and then you twist them together but counterclockwise. Once the whole head is retwisted, you will start the back corn braid, which will allow the updo to stand better than if we were to simply do a ponytail. You will gradually pick a few locks from each side, so from left to right, and overlap them. That's all. You just need to do as I'm doing. Once you reach the locks at the level of your eyebrows, you will simply tie them using your own hair by making a knot. At this stage, I made 7 big twists that I tied at the tip with a rubber band. Just took the tips of my twist, okay, so I did like two groups, okay, and don't worry if you see those little tips coming out, it's okay. At the end, once I'm done flipping them in the back, I'm just gonna put them inside like that, okay, so it doesn't matter really, okay, but it's just to show you basically how I did it. So I put a rubber band on the tips like that, and I'm just gonna flip it backwards like that, okay. Yeah, that's what I did. Okay, so I have to twist it because they're sort of the same length, so if I don't twist it, it's gonna look odd, okay. So just twist it like that. Yeah, that's what I did. I twisted it like that. Yeah, and so I'm just gonna use a pin. I had one in my head already, so I'm gonna use that just to show you real quick. But of course I had to take the time, stop the camera and take the time to fix it properly and do a few pics. Okay, so here's another one here. I don't know if you can see. Like this. Yay! Je suis trop belle. And when you're gonna try it also, you're gonna feel the same excitement. So beautiful. I haven't, ooh, oopsie. Don't do like I did. Use more than one pin. Okay. I'm just pulling it up so that you can see, but of course, take your time. You know, I use maybe 8 pins? 8 to 10 pins like these. You see? Beautiful. Thanks for watching.